our state is actually this part of the state, environmentally, the law went on vacation, and we have to restore it. And what we are doing, we are ensuring that everybody, behave and protect our environment very well. People just build on the road. People just trade on drainages. They block even waterways. They just feel that some persons are untouchable, and everybody, is a lawyer in Delta State. And I think the state government is determined to do what we are doing. We are not going to be intimidated. We are not going to be blackmailed. We are very firm, and we are not going to be selective. Now, the equipment we are using right away are payloaders. The payloaders are bringing down the attachments, caravans on the major roads, and of course, the adjoining streets. So, even at that, later part of this week, we are going to still use the swamp boogie to run around the local, those water channels.
By opening those water channels, some would have expected that the gutter, the drainage system, water will be movable. But as you can see, there's stagnant water.
No, you see, Warri is a major town. Uwe is a very big town. Of course, what you see here, some other drainages in other locations are flowing very well. And that's why we're compelling everybody to ensure that at least their environment within the surrounding is clean, is cleared. And that is why the Minister of Justice has been drafted into this committee. We are giving abatement notices. Those who faulted the law will be, of course, the law will be there in sanction. As of last week, about 10 persons have been sentenced to the prisons in Delta State on environmental laws. And we are going to do more. Because first we have to follow due process. Abatement notice will be served, and you will know that you have committed the offense, and this offense will be justified, and of course it will be done. If I have offended, which I have offended the environmental law as Commissioner of the Environment, my fence was pulled down, my private fence was pulled down. The governor's fence was pulled down, and any other person that has offended clearly, either the fence or a building will come down. People can blackmail governments. People can say all sort of things. If you are agreed, if you think that government has done wrong thing, go to the court. Let us know if government has done. You cannot build under the high tension. It is a native and primitive blackmail. We are above that. And we cannot be intimidated.
Okay, so that brings me to my next question.
Yes.
It's very good that all of this is being put in place. But we want to ask, is there any structures in place to ensure that all of this is maintained? Because the maintenance policy thing, if all of this is removed and they are evacuated, are you not sure when you and your team leave this place, those people will ensure that
Thank you very much. The ability of the sustainability in this project is very key, and that is why the governor relaxed the first team and set up this team that I'm heading as Commissioner of the Environment to sustain, pending when all the structures are put in place. What are the structures? We are employing over 1,600 marshals. We have, as we speak, we just completed the waste management equipment in Asaba. The construction one in Warri, Uwe and Udu is going on. About 1,500 capacity is going on. So the sustainability, we appreciate the fact that we need it more than before. So we don't have any cause of alarm. We must see how we can do it and do it very well. Right. Again, we should not be scared. I, as the chairman, and my members, we have the capacity. We have the capacity to work for 24 hours on a daily basis. As long as we are appointed as commissioners in this state, we have offices. This is part of our office. This is part of our assignments.
Okay. Let me ask you.
What areas have you touched?
Well, a lot. I can't name a lot. So almost all the areas, but it is not. I can assure you that we have not done up to 50% of what we are supposed to do in this part of the town.
All right. What efforts have you made to sensitize the people? Because you can see they are the major casualties. You can see
I'm sure that if you
people around.
If you go independently, interview everybody, people will know that we have tried to, educate them. We have gone even on spiritual. We go to churches and mosques. We go to everywhere to have educated them, even our local languages. So the issue of we're not aware is just deceit. Everybody is aware.
Okay, thank you.